Hello there, guys. This is 5 o'clock nighttime music. You ready for this? I hope it's gonna be ready. Here it is. What a wonderful music. We fly like a plane. Woo! Let's go somewhere. What a wonderful music! Yay! So much fun! Okay, I think that's enough now. Wasn't that cool, right? Okay, so yeah, I'd like to have some nice videos of our lifetime. So I'll just bring a visitors, okay? I'm gonna bring Huggy Wuggy for a while, cause I think I don't need Huggy Wuggy for now. Okay, let me call Huggy Wuggy for a second, okay? Just be right back. Let's go. I don't see Huggy Wuggy somewhere. I think I just find it, but where did I put it? Hey, Shark Puppet. Oh, Huggy Wuggy. Hello. Hello there. Wait, you're gonna record it outside? It's so cold outside. It's so cold. So hot. Thank you. Hello there, guys. Welcome to my new video channel because my name is Huggy Wuggy. And I am so have some fun videos today. Wow. I'm tired of holding of you because you're heavy. Oh, yeah. I was heavy anyways. Because, what was the last music? I didn't hear it. Oh, don't worry. It's fine. What do you think? It's fine. I think we should go somewhere. Okay, let's go somewhere else. Let's go to the park anyways. Oh, a park? So much fun. Let's go to the park. Okay, let's go to the park. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, me neither. Oh, there. I'm wearing a jacket. My favorite blue jacket. I hope Shark Puppet is not there. I really like to go and have some park. Why Shark Puppet is not done yet? I really like to go in the park. Yeah. Fine. Let me just wait. Be right back. Let's go. I'm gonna go in the park first. Let's go. I should wait Huggy Wuggy anyways. Let's go. Okay, we're finally at the park. Okay, we're in the park. So, I really like to play swing. Oh, wait. I think maybe I left Shark Puppet. Hey, wait for me. You just running away. Oh, sorry. You know what? How about this? Let's play a swing in here. Oh, playing swing? That's so much fun. I really like to play swing. Like a playing swing together, right? Sure it is. I like to play swing. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, me too. Yippee, I'm playing swing. Yay. It's kind of big anyways. Whoa. Wow. Me too, I'm playing a swing. This is so much fun. Yes, I like it. Okay, Huggy Wuggy, let's go to play somewhere. Yeah, me neither. Let's go. Yeah, me too. Yeah, we should need to take a break first. Huggy Wuggy's talking, okay? I just fell down in the swing. That was very hurt. Are you okay, Huggy Wuggy? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go somewhere else. Okay. Let's go somewhere else to play. Come on, let's go. Yeah, come on, Shark Puppet. Let's go and have some fun. I get dirty anyways. I should take a shower later. Let's go, Shark Puppet. Let's go. Yay! Also me. Shark Puppet, are we sure we're going to at the top in the stairs? Of course, this is safe. Are you sure this is safe? Yes, of course we are. It is very safe. Now, I'm gonna move the camera. So, do you see what I mean? Oh yeah, it's dangerous. Now we are dead. Ah, what do I do? Oh no, we're in danger. What should I do? I don't think this one is a good idea. That was your idea. What are you talking about to go in the stairs? And now, do you see what I mean? This way? This way too. Ah! What do I do? Better run away. Ah! Let's go. Ah! Oh, look. Maybe there's a sign over there. Let's see. It says the pathway at the top of the staircase is the safest way. What? Is it sure? Is it safety? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe it's safety. It's very safety, you know? Yeah, it is very safety for you, Huggy Wuggy. Because you know it's very safety. But do you see what I mean? This electrical, it's so near to us. Yeah, I know. It's so near to us. Don't kick it. Get away. Yes, I did it. Haha, I did it. Let's go. Yay. Wow. Goodness. They just literally saved me. Shark Puppet, you better get down over there. No, I don't want it. Just stay quiet. What? Why you don't want to stay quiet? You better get up. Okay, here we go. Whoa. You got saved me. I did it. That was so much fun. How could you do this? Oh, sorry about this. I'm gonna bite your hands. Ah, my hands! Ah! Head away! Ah! My head. Huggy Wuggy's hands very hurt, and then they disappeared. I'm still here, you thunderhead. Enough talking. My face. Oh. I'm sorry. Fine. Oh my gosh, that wasn't that cool. It was your fault. What? It wasn't my fault. This is your fault. What do you think is my fault? Do you think my mom is? Yes, of course. You know what? Wait, Shark Puppet, are you feeling good? Shark Puppet, why are you sitting over there? What are you doing? You should better not sit down over there. I'll count 1, 2, 3. This way. Ha ha ha. It's not here neither. What the heck? I cannot even tell. Maybe I think Shark Puppet went go home. Let me see. Let's go. Whee! They didn't know I was here in the whole time. The Huggy Wuggy went go home this way. You see? Oh wait, they turned go this way. That was so funny. That was a very funny. I know it was very funny. Yep. Never mind. Let's go home. Huggy Wuggy, wait for me. Ah. Come here, Huggy Wuggy. Just wait for me. Okay, so they didn't know I was here the whole time. Cause I was believe I was in here the whole time. Cause I was sitting here and they didn't see me. They look so funny. I like to go. Yeah. Maybe I should go in a big playground over there. Okay? So let's go. Yee! Come on, wait for me. Wait for me. I want to save you. Come back. Where did you gone, Huggy Wuggy? Did you gone disappeared, Huggy Wuggy? Come back, Huggy Wuggy. I'll never leave without you. Where are they? I think they must be disappeared somewhere. Oh my gosh. Where did you go? He's not over there neither. Oh my gosh. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, where did he go? Okay. Huggy Wuggy, where are you? I cannot even tell. Where are you? Are you this way? No. How about this way? No. Oh, wait. I just see Huggy Wuggy over there before. What was that? Maybe I shouldn't need to go. Yep. Let me go to school for a real second. Let's go. I think never mind. Let me just go home. Yep. Let's go. Yee.